David, so today we are going to classify these bears. We're going to count them by color and we're going to put them on the bar graph, okay? So what do you think we should do first? So for example, all the yellow bears will go here, all of the green bears will go here, and blue, and so on, right?
No, it's purple.
Yeah, okay. So what do we do first in order to organize our data? So first, we are going to organize the bears by color, right? So let's organize the bears by color. Okay, so what do we do? Do we put all the, what does that mean when we organize them by color?
And we put the colors together.
Mm-hmm.
And in groups.
In groups, right? So you want to do that for me? Okay. Uh-oh, you almost got a purple one. Okay, so we have the yellow ones. So what about the rest? Do we organize the rest like you did with the yellow? Okay, so let's do that. What color do you have now?
Green.
Continue. You're doing a very good job organizing them by color. You're color coding them. You know what color coding means? Color coding is when you're putting them in color. For example, you put all the green bears together, all of the yellow bears together, and now you're putting all of the, what color is that?
Blue.
You're putting all of the blue bears together. Yes.
Now orange.
Now orange. Alright. Okay, you're gonna put that here. Uh-oh. I think. Uh-oh. I think you have another color in there. No, it's still orange. Oh, my bad. I'm colorblind.
Next one is red.
Red.
Purple.
And purple. So how many groups of bears do we have?
Groups, there's red, orange, yellow, purple, green, and blue.
And blue. So you told me all of the colors of the groups. How many groups do we have? This is one group, two groups. So how many groups do we have?
6.
We have 6 groups, and they're all different colors, and you did very nice organizing them and color coding them by colors, right? So now what we're going to do, we're going to use this graph, and we are going to graph how many yellow bears we have, how many green bears we have, how many blue bears we have, and so on. We're going to graph all of the bears by color, okay? All right, so let's do the first one together. So the first one, you see it says yellow. So let's count how many yellow bears we have. You want to count them for me? You want to count just the yellow?
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13.
13. So how many bears do you have? How many yellow bears?
13.
13 yellow bears. So on the graph, we're going to record 13 yellow bears, right? Because that's our data. So do you see the number 13 on the graph?
No.
No, so what do we do? Since it's not 13, for example, we don't see the number 5, right? This is what we do. So this here's 4 and here's 6. What's between 4 and 6?
4 and 6?
Mm-hmm.
Between 4 and 6 is 5.
It's 5, right? So that means 5 will go here, right? Because it's in the middle between 4 and 6. Because our graph, how many is the skip counting by?
2.
2, right? So where would 13 be on this graph? You want to show me with the pencil? Want to mark it?
In between 14 and 12.
And 12. Good job. So now we're going to do a bar graph like this. 13. right? We're gonna do like a rectangle. Uh-oh, the lead, like this, right? Because it shows 13, right? And then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do the first one, and then I'll let you do the rest, okay? What we're gonna do, we're gonna color this one in. We're gonna color it yellow. Do you know why we're coloring yellow?
Because we're because it says right here yellow.
Yellow. And we're also coloring yellow because what color are the bears?
Yellow.
Yellow, right? So, here's yellow, right? And how many yellow bears do we have?
13.
13. So we're going to write the number 13 on top, okay? All right, and you already marked it right there. So what color bears do we do next? So let's put the yellow ones aside. So what's the next one?
Green.
Green. So now let's count the green bears.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8.
8. How many green bears?
8.
8 green bears.
There's one big bear.
Yeah, there's a big bear, but there's 8 in total. Okay, so where's number 8 on the graph? Do you want to draw the rectangle for me? Good job. Okay, so what color are we going to color that?
Green.
All right, you want to color that in? Shade that in for me, color green. Good job. You're shading that in very well. Okay. Good job. So what number do we put on top?
8.
8. There you go, 8. So now what color bears do we do next?
Blue.
Blue, right? Alright, so let's count the blue ones. Let's count the blue bears.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many? You have 10 blue bears, right? Okay, so can you show me that on the graph? Where are we going to shade that? So which color seems to have the most bears right now?
13.
13. What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow, right? And which color bear seems to have the least right now? Which one has the least?
Last 8.
8, right? And that is what color?
Green.
Green. And what is it between the least and the most?
In between.
Mm-hmm.
Between the number, in between the number green.
Green. All right, so what number do we put for blue?
10.
10. Good job. All right, so what color bears do we do next?
Orange.
Orange. So let's bring in our orange bears. All right, you count them for me?
2, 4, 6, and that's 7.
7. So what did you do to me? You skip counted by how many?
2.
2s. And then when you had one left over, did you skip count again, or what did you do?
Counted by 1.
You counted by 1, and that's very good. Skip counting makes our life easier when we count. Things like that. So how many orange bears do you have?
7.
7. So where is the number 7 on the graph?
There's no 7.
There's no 7.
That's in between 8 and 6.
8 and 6. Okay. So do you want to draw the rectangle for me? Okay. Alright, we're almost done. We just need 2 more color papers.
Alright.
Orange. Coloring it orange. What colors do we have left to count?
Red and purple.
Red and purple. We're almost done. There you go. Alright, so what? Oh, you forgot to put the number.
Number 7.
Number 7. Alright. Thanks, brother. Alright, so
Next one is red.
next one is red. So let's count the red bears.
There's 6.
6. How do you know there's 6?
Because 3 plus 3 equals 6.
3 plus 3 equals 6, and that is very correct. Wow, look at you. Alright, so let's draw our 6. It's right here. Uh-oh, you went a little bit too far. 6 is right here. Yep. Right there. Right here. Like this. You had it right. Like that. It could be a little bit tricky. Alright, so just color it red. There you go. How many did you have?
6.
6. Good job. Alright, so now what's left to count?
Purple.
Purple. Let's count our purple ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
7. Good job. Alright. So where's number 7? Uh-oh. 7 is the same as what other color?
Orange.
Orange. Alright, so let's do number 7. So let's color that. Alright. 7. Alright, good job. So you completed the graph, right? So this is your graph completed. Okay. So now I'm going to ask you some questions and then you can go, okay? Alright, so what color has the most bears?
Most bears? Yellow. Stony yellow.
Yellow. How many bears does yellow have?
13.
13. And how do you know that one's the most?
Because the numbers on top.
Numbers on top. And what about our rectangle on our graph? This one's shaded in the most, right?
The most.
It's shaded in the most. And these are shaded in less, right? They're colored in less. This one's the most. So which color is colored in the least?
Leaf.
Mm-hmm.
Blue and green and orange and red and purple. These and this is the highest.
And that's the highest, right? Which one's the least? Which
The
color
less?
is the least? Yes, the less. Which one's less?
That's so less.
Yes.
6.
6. And what color is that?
Red.
Red. Do we have some colors that have the same number of bears?
Same number of bears? Yes, purple and orange.
Purple and orange, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if we were to put these numbers in order, from least to greatest, what number? Can you write them down for me here?
Numbers?
Yeah, least to greatest.
Least to greatest?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then 7.
Mm-hmm.
And then 8.
Mm-hmm.
And then 10.
Mm-hmm.
And then 13.
Mm-hmm. Right. Good job. We do have another 7. Good job. Did you like this activity?
Mm-hmm.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. Thank you very much. You can go to sleep now. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.